Welcome to the Practice Directory from Deaf Populace, your essential guide to inclusive, accessible care. We believe everyone deserves equal access to health, wellness, and communication services, especially the deaf and hard of hearing community. That's why we created this directory, to help you find sign language-friendly providers, deaf-aware clinics, and accessible practices across multiple health and support fields. Whether you're looking for a therapist, fluent in ASL, a primary care doctor who understands deaf culture, or specialized mental health support, we've made it easy to connect. Every listing in the Practice Directory is reviewed for accessibility, cultural sensitivity, and communication readiness. We're not just building a database, we're building bridges between communities and care. Discover providers who value communication, equity. Connect with services that prioritize your experience, and find the support you need, your way. At Deaf Populace, accessibility isn't an option, it's the foundation. Explore the Practice Directory today and take the next step toward care that understands you.